Hi, welcome. I'm so happy you are here. I am Samragi, and in this video I'm going to show how you can make creamy, tasty and healthy baked vegetable easily at home. The preparation time for this recipe is 10 minutes and cooking time is 40 minutes. So, let's begin. So we will start by making white sauce. उसके लिए मैंने लिया है 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add finely chopped garlic into it, around 1 tablespoon. Garlic will add an amazing flavor to the white sauce. Once your garlic is golden brown, add 3 tablespoons of maida. मैदा विल एक्ट एज अ थिकनर. वो आपकी वाइट सॉस को थिक करेगा एंड एक बहुत अच्छा क्रीमी टेक्सचर देगा. जैसे ही आप इसमें मैदा ऐड करोगे, इसको कंटिन्यूसली स्टर करते रहना है सो दैट मैदा में कोई भी लम्प्स फॉर्म ना हो एंड वो अच्छे से कुक भी हो जाए. सो दिस आई एम डूइंग ऑन अ मीडियम फ्लेम. जब ये अच्छे से कुक हो जाएगा, देन आई हैव एडेड 1 glass ऑफ मिल्क and 1/4 glass of water. अब आप इस मिक्सचर को हाई फ्लेम पे करके जस्ट ब्रिंग इट टू अ बॉयल एंड इसको बीच बीच में स्टर करते रहो सो दैट वो नीचे ना लगे. जब ये एक बार बॉईल हो जाएगा, देन यू कैन सिमर द फ्लेम एंड जस्ट लेट इट कुक फॉर 5-10 मिनट्स एंड बीच बीच में आप इसको स्टर करते रहो. ये अपने आप ही थिक होता रहेगा एज इट विल कीप ऑन कुकिंग. Once it is nicely cooked, I will add a pinch of oregano and some thyme, which will give you the perfect flavor of white sauce. Give it a good stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Lastly, we will add some salt to taste. And then we will keep the white sauce aside. बनने के बाद भी ये थोड़ी देर तक थिक होती रहती है. So this is the right consistency which you should have once it is ready. So now let's prepare our vegetables. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan, to which I will add some onions. Once they are golden brown, add carrot and beans. So you can add any vegetable of your choice. Try to add as many nutritious vegetables as you can. You can also boil the vegetables and add in white sauce, but it is always preferential to sort of stir fry them so that उनका moisture release हो जाए once they are like properly cooked. Otherwise they release moisture while baking and the consistency of the baked vegetable gets spoiled and थोड़ा सा runny consistency हो जाती है. So here I have added corn, capsicum, broccoli, cauliflower florets. Stir fry them all together for a few more minutes. Lastly, we will add some salt to taste. So you have to keep in mind that हमने white sauce में भी salt add किया था. सो जब हमारी वेजीज तैयार हो जाएंगी, सो आई विल एड हाफ ऑफ द वाइट सॉस दैट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इनटू द वेजिटेबल्स एंड नाइसली मिक्स इट. नाउ जस्ट पुट इट इन whichever dish you are using for baking it in the oven. After adding all the vegetables here, we will top it up with the white sauce that we have prepared and coat it nicely with it. Then we will add our final ingredient, which is cheese. So here I'm using normal processed cheese and also some mozzarella cheese. So you can go with either or both. And once this is done, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So here our healthy and nutritious baked vegetable is ready, which will go very well with some garlic bread. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and check out other videos on my channel which may interest you. Thank you so much for watching.